Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 1994 to 2004 S10 and Sonoma. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove your fuel tank and any lines or power harnesses in the work area. With an 18mm socket, remove the bolt holding the leaf spring in place. Step 3. Hold the part up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Cut off your bed mount, cab mount, and leaf spring bracket. Then, grind down the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Paint the part with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 5. Slide your leaf spring frame section onto the frame using the holes to help with the alignment. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the part into place before welding it on fully. Step 6. Coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Finally, weld on your bed mount, cab mount, and leaf spring bracket. Reinstall your leaf spring with an 18mm socket in your fuel tank. Then you're done!